Adding a new theme to your Blogger site helps customize its appearance and layout. Here's how to add a new theme. Access Blogger dashboard. Log into your Blogger account and go to the dashboard for the blog you want to update. Go to Theme section. In the left sidebar, click on Theme. This section displays your current theme and gives you options to customize it. Choose a pre-made theme. Blogger offers a variety of free themes. To select one, scroll down to the Themes section and click on Explore Themes. Browse the available themes and choose the one that suits your blog style. Once you found one, click Apply to add it to your site. Upload a custom theme. If you have a custom theme, click the Backup or Restore button at the top right of the Theme section. Click Upload and select the XML file of your custom theme. Once uploaded, click Apply. Customize the theme. After applying the theme, you can further customize it by clicking Customize under the Theme section. Here, you can change colors, fonts, layout, and more to fit your blog's needs.